Hello everyone, welcome back to another Among Us video. Today I'm with my two cousins.
What's up, man?
Okay. But yeah, we're playing Among Us together. So make sure to like and subscribe for this video.
Yes, please like and subscribe. This is the best channel on YouTube.
Yeah, what he said. Okay. You guys want to do some funny stuff?
Yeah. Let me call an emergency meeting.
Wait, no, wait. No, dude. I'm just gonna say I think.
Say Trump. Say it's Trump.
I think Trump. Well, as you guys know, Sam and SpongeBob are my older cousins, so yeah. And I'm gonna say something mean. Who asked? Did I say that? Yeah. I have 14 subscribers, guys. So my goal is 100.
That's a lot of subscribers and 14.
Well, I'm trying to get 100. My goal by this year. Bro. Oh, he cursing. Did I actually just get out? Okay, good. Oh wait, is one of you guys imposters? Yeah, black kind of sucks.
No, Sully, I'm not the imposter. Sorry, I muted it, so you can hear. It's not me.
Okay. I'm actually. Who's purple? Sam Vent. Hello? Hello?
Yeah, Sully, I'm still here.
Don't mute yourself.
Oh, yeah. I had to for a second.
Okay.
Unless you want extra
Bro,
guests.
I don't like you, Selena Pachi.
Oh, she killed you? Alright. Say what color are you? Cyan? Yes. Alright.
It's Sam. Take her down. Okay. Haha. That's what she gets, Sam.
It's Yan? Who's Yan?
Sam. Leah's being called. It's black. It's orange. It's orange, too, I think. Because he's defending Sam.
Is she the imposter? Let's find out.
Cute on her screen.
Okay, she was the imposter. Looks like
I think it's red.
Alright,
Oh.
Sully, thank you for featuring me. I'm gonna head out, alright?
Well, goodbye. Oh, well, he's gone. He just wanted to be in my video. Well, that ends it for today, guys. I'll see you guys in the next. Oh, wait. Hi. Do you? You don't want. Yeah. What is she gonna respond, guys? Waiting for her response. Wait, if you guys didn't know, this is my best skin. Not cat skin. This is my skin. Mr. Bossman Mouse. Okay, bye. Well, that ends it off for today, guys. Bye.